Eistedwch I lawr, please sit down. Pnawn da, croeso I Prifysgol Caerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff University and to this, our very special 2026 graduation ceremony for medicine. Baroness Elora Finlay dwi Pyrrol Ganghellor Prifysgol Caerdydd. I am Baroness Elora Finlay and I have the enormous honour and privilege of being a Pro-Chancellor at Cardiff University. Today is very special for me personally. I worked for many years with the School of Medicine. Some people here are graduating from the course that I set up in palliative medicine many decades ago. And additionally, our honorary fellowship is being awarded to Meriel Jenny, with whom I worked for many years. So it really is meaningful for me as well as for all of you. And I would have to say, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to all of you here today, because I'm well aware of how hard you have worked to get here, to be here today. We are here to celebrate your achievements in the School of Medicine. You have put enormous time, effort, and deep learning to reach today. You've been with us in a partnership in our academic community. You have developed not only the knowledge and the skills required for your chosen profession, but you also have learnt compassion and integrity to contribute meaningfully to the life of every patient and their family that you meet, and to go beyond that to contribute to society today and into the future. You have learnt the skills to listen properly with undivided attention, to observe and to integrate all that you find into not only a diagnosis, but a way forward, helping people find a way through some of the most difficult times in their lives. So you are now joining an inspiring and diverse workforce, equipped to excel in a world where expectations around healthcare and well-being are continually evolving, both in face-to-face and in the online world. Whatever role you choose, clinical practice, research, innovation, or beyond, we know you are prepared to make a difference. There are infinite possibilities lying ahead of each and every one of you within the fields of medical sciences and medical practice. Your school wants you to know each of you has the talent, commitment, and potential to be a positive force in your field and to shape the future in your own way. You can bring that realistic hope and kindness. People will put their trust in you and their life in your hands, and you will rise to each occasion. And when things are difficult, you will be able to contact one of your colleagues who may be sitting next to you today, who may be in the row behind you or the row in front, and just talk it through, because you've worked together and you have that trust between you and that supportive environment. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you are ambitious, passionate, and have a brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all the confidence that that brings. Thank you for all that you have brought to the school and to this, our university, and the university community. Your school and all of us are very proud of you and all that you have achieved to get to here today. So as you pass to become a graduate of Cardiff University, you step into the next phase of your life. But for now, your job is to sit back, enjoy the ceremony, enjoy every minute of today. And all those who come to support you in receiving awards today are here because of you, and we are proud of all of you and all that you've achieved. So I would say again, we all applaud you. There will be lots of loud applause, and please don't hold back, because it's wonderful to celebrate with everybody. Llongyfarchiadau to the class of 2026.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwella dy wneud, myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn yn gyntaf yn y Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydde dwybod i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'u hysgolheictod, wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn ac, wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd i geisio, trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, ac ofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi. Congratulations.
Shemai, I'm Eve, your Vice President, Societies and Volunteering at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. It's a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment, but you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from Maindee, Manchester, or even Morocco. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Faced with the future, the confidence knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations, class of 2026.
Through Indilana Dwi is Gang Hetlo, Prifysgol Cardiff. I'm Professor Wendy Lana. I have the enormous privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted that today my job is to warmly welcome all students to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, when the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please celebrate. Celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, or perhaps even with a little whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Toi ardydod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holffrentiau a ddaw enesgel Llongyfarchiadau. I will now introduce Professor Rachel Errington, Head of the School of Medicine, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Rachel Errington, introduce those who have received the Certificate of Higher Education. Gamucharai Chakra. I, Professor Rachel Errington, introduce those who have received the Diploma of Higher Education. Fionn Bellamy. Morgan Roberts Alsop. I, Professor Rachel Errington, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Amy Rebecca Anderson. Marad Lloyd Arch. Vashika Bala. Ariana Miranda Becker. Jasmine Denton. Rebecca Linda Felcrook. Alicia Frame. Nia Fuller. Adam Shah Hussain Galani. Ebony Jade Hall. Lakey Jones. Isabel Marion Kotu. Anna Preeti Matthew. Megan Grace McAtapley. Nabi O'Day. Neve Oldfield. Thomas Parry Jones. Shuba Rai. Theo Joseph Riseborough. Oliver Robson. Laura Smith. Amy Snowding. Bethan Thomas. Lottie Tilsley. Florence Sian Tilton Price. I, Professor Rachel Errington, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Shira 80. Ruwaida Azad, Hasib Ahmed, Ikra Ahmad, Noor El Haylou, Lawrence Altahi, Tazim Ali, Tasnin Abdullah Ali, Alice Umin, Jasmina Azul, Eleanor Argyle, Minerva Wafaka Ashad, Shum Yut Orjing Sherry, Kate Bailey, Georgia Baldry, Rihanna Ballantyne, Zoe Alexandra Bannister, Ellen Bartlett, Josie Beanie, Susanna Benson, Oliver Beresford, Alexander Betts, Dylan Bevan, Thomas Bevis, Hannah Bidwell, Abbas Fatid Bilal, Yulia Biesinger, Jasmine Eve Light, Manon Guazino, Bethan Louise Bound, Oscar Boyhan Irvine, Isa Berkeley, James Christopher Britton, Amelie Cameron, Agnes Carter, Isabella Carter, Genevieve Chad, Karis Chadwick, Imogen Caitlin Charles, Benjamin Cheeseman, Sandra Suresh Shirapura, Gemma Louise Clark, Louis Clayton, Jessica Clements, Ella Clifford Spence, Amy Clogston, Eve Klein, Ethan Coles, Finn Coles, Martha Coughlin, Eleni Kuyusiri, Hugo David Priest, Thomas William Davidson, Amelia Claire Davis, Harry Davies, Ewan Davies, Caitlin Davis, Sion Reese Davies, Dia Desai, Martin Diamond, Yasmin Duranier, Ahmed Dra, Nula Dibor, Bethany Amelia Eid, Shaveen Ediri Singha, Anest Edwards, Elan Haff Edwards, Megan Edwards, Jude Ellis, Noran El-Shubaki. Yara Mohammed Altayab. Ellie Enstrom. Tanya Enoch. Maria Isavi Bang. Bethan Evans. Chloe Evans. Sophie Evans. Abigail Fage. Evan Fairclough. Uma Farouk. Grace Catherine Farah. Iris Theodore. Zoe Victoria Ferguson. Christopher Joseph Field. Rose Foster. Beatrice Fury. Hannah George. Sabiluya Gassime. Thomas Glasby. Samuel Godsell. Anna Gordon. Sunay Goyal. Madeleine Brabham. Annabel Grace Graham. Molly Charlotte Graham. Ellen Griffiths. Sophie Griffiths. Dominic Arthur Griffiths Trapp. Rachel Hadley. Emma Halls. Fatima Hamid. Jack Ridge Hamilton. Renee Hans. Abdullah Harris. Sam Hartnell. Jack Wolf Harvey. Ella Hawes. John Hello. Catherine Lee Henderson. Poppy Louise Herbert. Megan Hill. Joseph William Howard. Iwan Rawley Howes. Claudia Hughes. Abigail Emily Humphreys. Cara Hutchison. Merose Elahi. Albie Jacob. Saichon Paper. Zara Jaffrey. Freya Juliet Jakes. Jad George Gaid Hassan Jawad. Alexandra Jeffrey. Nicholas Jenkins. Arthur Jones. Arthur Jones. Bethan Jones. Slow down. Rianne Carrie Jones. Hannah Jones. Laura Jones. Jeffrey Moore Joseph.
I, Dr. Bethan Stevens, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Nidu Kalu Arachige Don. Fatima Karan. Bobby Ellis Kane. Gijo Canio Dekal George. Mariah Kareem. Dia Carver, Lucy Kay, Zach Keaveney, Fatima Khalik, Ahmed Kamas, Famina Khan, Tom Kilmartin, Michael Terry Adam King, Sarah Louise King, Kamaya Kitson, Pooja Kondas, Mariam Kossa, Jeffrey Lai, Gemma Lai, Dia Laknani, Lu Chi Q, Rachel Lavelle, Raina Ying Zeeling, Owen Stanley Charles Lloyd, Eloise Mary Lloyd Howells, Catherine Lockwood, Maria Elizabeth Lofthouse, Iman Losey, James McGee, Asha Mohammed, Rayan Malik, Ishan Manav, Zara Leela Mangan, Ella Mannering, Emily Mant, Kanda Mashiat Mansour, Florence Maskell, Katie Rose Massey, Julie Matthew, Nicole Jagadish Matthias, Luke Matty, Beth McFadden, Ronan McKeough, Jamie Med, Hosna Medigal, Harriet Millard, Daisy Miller, Noor Mohammed, Benjamin Dewi Stringfellow Morgan, Robin Morley, Sophie Elizabeth Morris, Ghazal Montazian, Rosie Mayer Moulton, Hannah Murphy, Thomas Martin Murray, Abby Mustafa, Gabriella Nelson, Debbie Yi Mang Un, Elizabeth Nobes, Faith Unsafor, Ella Nolly O'Brien, Megan Jane MacDonald O'Dwyer, Tuluwaneshi Era Oluwag Michael Olushoga, Ruth Dada Omenyo, Mildred Almeno Orby, Gwen Helith Owen, Rochard Jignaben Panchal, Alexandra Louise Ella Panton, Shannon Alicia Pardo, Ayush Patel, Nishkar Patel, Fionn Payne, Morgan Pearsall, Pravina Pemisani, Carmen Silva, Roshini Piera, Agbo Pathayagoda, Joseph Philbin, Hannah K. Phillips, Julie Heather Potter, Prujit Prabha Karan, Rishika Prasad, Rhiannath Alice Rebecca Priest, Lewis Price, Alvin Sarji, Alu Qureshi, Yasmin Rahali, Amina Rahman, Naeem Rahman, Sophia Raja, Manisha Ravarula, Meda Rakietla, Aditha Ramesh, Morgan Rees, Thomas Rennie, Izzy Riddington, Revan Rizwi, Lowry Roberts, Rebecca Sophie Roberts, Hugh Robbins, Lara Rowell, Kadukwa Shea Rosenza, Dia Saldana, Christina Ansam, William Sanders, Ella Schumann, Becca Scott, Anisha Shah, Sunaina Shah, Anna Saji, Hammer Sharif, Rashid Shihadi, Zainab Sheikh, Georgia May Shields, Aisha Sadiqua, Amrita Kaur Sidhu, Aditha Singh, Phoebe Spink, Maya Squires, Ailsa Stelling, Olivia Jane Stillman, Varshi Sunny, Eva Sutton, Molly Louise Tavender, Anna Patricia Thomas, Daniel Thea Thomas, Rhiannon Thomas, Rodri Thomas, Isla Ruth Thomas Morris, Ellery Wynne Thompson, Sarah Thompson, Reese Andrew Song Young Thornett, Uman Tiwari, Dudi Yingwai Choi, Hamish Edwin Tully, Erica Toomey, Elizabeth Carla Wilhelmina van der Sand, Jonathan Varghese, Ella Sinead Vickers, Anunya Bora, Teresa Wardle, Harriet Wardrop, Rebecca Gwyneth Warland, Christopher Yuta Watanabe, Lucy Watkinson, Megan Ferrelith Watson, Isabel Webb, Ellis Whitcomb, Chandu Induwari Rijan Ayakar, Indy Wilkinson, Adam Herbert Thomas Williams, Emily May Williams, Fionn Wiseman, Abby Woodall, Charlie Woolley, Ioan Dafydd Woolley, Alice Bethany Woolman, Annabelle Wright, Chloe Marie Wyatt, Pavlina Segova. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ardyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dyfaniach chi y gael eich dyfaniad ar hol ffrentiau y ddaw yn ysgol. Long y ffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Maria Ahmad, Faisal Alhama, Chejazvi Bahandari, Somnanth Datta, Sandra Goncalves, Bethan Rose James, Lynn Rumbidazia Maka, Gun Min Lee, Maria Constancia Ormasa, Alexandra Parker, Hunt La Finn, Nalamli Raja Lakshmi Reddy. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Al Hassan Khaled Al Jafari, Teshin Fatima, Elan Mon Guilford, Kumar Hussain, Mariam Nasim, Jasper Ram Singh Aweja, Spandana Pasupuletti, Sharuna Siva Kumar, Fethar Sway, Safia Tariq, I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Public Health. Leah Ashka, Katie Bolan, Po Chung Chan, Natasha Chandra, Jessica Clark, Nianye Dock, Astrid Alicia Etherington, Craig Cobb, Moskan Sani, David Thomas, I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Costa Morley, Fazeh Ahmed Abdi, Mohammed Taha Abro, Morgan Lewis Adams, Oya Uli, Yasmin Al-Mullah Hamadi, Venkata Munogna Ambuti, Laurie Amos, Samantha Anns. Mark Ramaz Aziz. Jude Al-Fayez. Razan Al-Fayez. Phoebe Buxton. Jordan Carey Rees. Catherine Chappell. Waris Chong Kavinit. Olivia Costa. Patience Pueberia Danso. Hannah Devonal Davis. Angus Dixon. Cassandra Doherty. Claire Elizabeth Dunn. Jodie Dyer. Doris Ebibidike. Tabarak Hamad Elbu Aswadi. Rachel Elvans. Ididiong David Anaitai. Caitlin Evans. Elspeth Kate Finch. Sinyam Fedos. Mariana Flores Castellan. Elizabeth Grant. Jude Hutton. Kajetan Ikuwonu. Panayi Indolok. Jiracha Janwatanonon. Seren Jones Reddy. Ariha Khan. Yagoda Konana Sark. Sorry. Jamie Lawler. Ross Litchfield Brosco. Harriet Lofthouse. Kaylee Maidley. Kelsey McIntyre. Patipa Mitonglang. Vidya Naya. Risinima Nesima. Shavri Oberoi. Eniton Odenaiki. Ezik Omari. Ogechi Awapara. Bronwen Palmer. Emily Pocket. Susie Pramod. Eleanor Pulley. Ara Pravin. Alessandra Cristina Olhan Ragonha Cardoso. Redoya Nishal. Tisanda Risol. Carly Ann Reeve. Louisa Reeve. Clara Regina. Satish Sadangni. Esther Schmidt-Haley. Sarah Shams. Shan Shepherd. Helen Shapirshan. Catherine Silk. Dharmini Singh. Videlia Akbi Sotana. Kaylee Souza Smythe. Amy Nicola Sweeney. Abigail Tennant Bell. Kang Tutu. Conchanok Tia Shong. Victoria Todd. Sarah Aruni Jeremiah. Navith Volcom Patty. Bailey Watling. Jacqueline Williams. Kit Wawu. Yong Sing Tong. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Philosophy. Leanne Elizabeth Davis. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ardyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfannech chi a gael eich tyfaniad a holffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented by the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Medicine. Dr. Emma Higgins. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Mariam Owaid Alanazi. Dr. Isabella Rose Barkley. Dr. Claire Bainan. Dr. Harsh Bhatt. Dr. Marissa Casanova-Diaz. Dr. Sophie Chick. Dr. James Geary. Dr. Mariam Ahmed Halwani. Dr. Amy Houseman. Dr. Robert Madison. Dr. Zainab Sakir Mahmood. Dr. Jordan Aston Jagurtha Matthias. Dr. Rosie Mundy. Dr. Garalina Novak. Dr. Kearney O'Dare. Dr. Lee Saniolo. Dr. Oliver Schofield. Dr. Freya Shepherd. Dr. Isadora Sinha. Dr. Michelle Somerville. Dr. Emma Ann Swift. Dr. Lee Rong Tan. Dr. Ronak Ved. Dr. Bryony Ann Weavers. Dr. Kathleen Withers. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi radyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfannech chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau.
Could all those students who have studied an undergraduate diploma or degree from the School of Medicine please stand if you're able for the reading of the oath.
I will now declare the oath, first in Welsh and then in English, and then I will ask you to agree to the terms of the oath. A ddawaf mae fy wladwriaeth gyntaf fydd gofalu am fy nghleifion. Byddaf yn garedig gyda phob claf ac ymdrechaf i gyfathrebu yn effeithlon gyda nhw. Byddaf yn parchu urddas a'i preifatrwydd a'i hawl i gyfrannu'n llawn at benderfyniadau ynglyn â'i gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn ddibynadwy bob amser ac yn parchu a diogelu gwybodaeth gyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy nghredoau personol yn amharu ar ofal fy nghleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfyngiadau fy nghymhwysedd, byddaf bob amser yn diweddaru wybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os bydd gennyf reswm da i gredu nad wyf fi neu gydweithiwr yn addas i weithio, byddaf yn gweithredu'n gyflym i ddiogelu cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camddefnyddio fy sefyllfa broffesiynol a byddaf yn gweithio gyda chydweithwyr yn y ffordd olau lles y cleifion. Yn yr holl faterion hyn, ni fyddaf byth yn gwahaniaethu'n anheg yn erbyn fy nghyfleiddion na'n cydweithwyr a byddaf yn barod i gyfiawnhau fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mhob achos. Rhoddaf yr addewid yma ar fy llw yn wirfoddol ac o ddifrif. I promise that I will make the care of my patients my first concern. I will be considerate to all my patients and will strive to communicate effectively with them. I will respect my patients' dignity and autonomy and their right to be fully involved in decisions about their care. At all times, I will be honest and trustworthy, respecting and protecting confidential information. My personal beliefs will not prejudice my care of patients. Recognising the limits of my competence, I will keep my professional knowledge and skills up to date. If I believe that I or a colleague may not be fit to practice, I will act quickly to protect patients from risk. I will not abuse my professional position and will work with colleagues in the ways that best serve patients. I will never discriminate unfairly against patients or colleagues, and I will always be prepared to justify my actions to them. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honour. If you agree to the terms of the oath, say I do.
Please be seated.
Prynhawn da bawb. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Professor Rhian Goodfellow, and I'm Director of Medical Studies at the School of Medicine. We come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, Wales, and the world. Today, we recognise Professor Meryl Jenny with the award of an honorary fellowship. Her success is part of your day's success. Dyma gyfle I ni nodi ein hedmygedd, ein balchder a'n diolch wrth gyflwyno cymrodoriaethau a graddau anrhydedd. Professor Meryl Jenny is a paediatric oncologist whose dedication, compassion and leadership has helped transform the lives of children with cancer across Wales and beyond. Her long and distinguished career has been devoted to understanding children's cancer and its impact on young lives. Leading international teams, Meryl has contributed to pioneering research into the rare cancer rhabdomyosarcoma, which has led to significant improvements in outcomes for children with this type of tumour. But her work has done more. It's helped the world see not only the illness, but the child behind it, as she studied the quality of life of children with cancer and the late effects of treatments for children with cancer, giving us a better understanding of the child's experience. Respected by the medical world, colleagues and patients alike, Meriel led Children's Cancer Service in Wales for more than 20 years. She's also championed the development of sustainable and accessible services for children with cancer in Sierra Leone, where there is now a real foundation for paediatric oncology. This work is continuing with strong collaboration between the clinical teams in Freetown and Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, working alongside key charities. During her career, Meriel has undertaken senior operational roles at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, guiding services, shaping strategies, and strengthening the systems that care for us all. Some of these include Clinical Board Director for Children and Women, and subsequently Clinical Diagnostics and Therapeutics, Associate Medical Director for Cancer Services and Deputy Medical Director. She was appointed Executive Medical Director for the Health Board in 2022 until her retirement. In retirement, Meriel continues to serve as a non-executive advisor to the Evelina London Women and Children's Clinical Group Board, and she's honorary president for LATCH, the Welsh Children's Cancer Charity. Professor Meriel Jenny's determination to change the life of children with cancer means that today, children with cancer have better chances and are better understood. Her story reminds us that the world needs people who care. We need expertise, but alongside it, we also need empathy, understanding, collaboration, and a strong team. Take this with you as you move into your own careers. I will now present this distinguished individual who's to be awarded an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University. Anrhydeddus i'ch ganghellor, cyflwynaf i chi yr rhai sydd i'w derbyn yn gymrodwr anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Meriel Jenny to be accepted as Honorary Fellow of Cardiff University.
Twy ar dyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y cengor. Dybanu a chi fel Cymrawd yn Rhedydd Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Firstly, I would like to thank Cardiff University for this incredible honour. I have just a couple of minutes to reflect on what I've learned and to share some thoughts with you. It has been a huge privilege to work with children and their families at a most extraordinarily difficult time in their lives. And whilst I have witnessed amazing progress in both survival and health outcomes for children with cancer over almost 4 decades, and without the need for AI, but with research, there is still a lot to do in so many ways. So when I first travelled to Sierra Leone about 10 years ago and was shown around the children's ward there, I saw there was no real service for children with cancer at that time. I returned to the UK and emailed the resident doctor who had been with me to thank him for showing me around and reflected on the challenges and gaps in the services. His response was, "So what are you going to do about it?" It's fair to say that the progress that has been made since then in the development of a children's cancer service in Sierra Leone has been because of a shared commitment and vision, not least by the resident doctor who had emailed me, but critically led by the local medical and nursing teams, and also supported by visiting clinical teams from Cardiff, nursing, medical, pharmacy, laboratory, and of course the essential support from charity partners and generous donors. There is a shared understanding, a mutual respect, which has led to a real collaboration that's making the difference. A ward, a clinical team, and some treatment now available for these children. There is still a long way to go. However, everyone has had a role to play and to help make this happen. The team is everything. When I first qualified, my mother, who was an experienced nurse, reminded me, perhaps too often, that the nursing staff knew more than I did about that ward I was on, and that they had been there a lot longer than I had. That stayed with me throughout my career as another reminder of the importance of the whole team. So when you are faced with the challenges in the next steps of your careers, it is worth asking yourself, what can you do about it? Take the responsibility, but also remember that none of us are alone, and the more efficient and kind the team, the better the outcome. Diolch yn fawr iawn yn llongyfarchiadau.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, Meriel. And I'm sure you can all see why Meriel is just such an inspiration to everyone. Because that phrase, what are you going to do about it? You are all here graduating today, and you will all have the opportunity to make a difference. Sometimes it might seem small, other times it might seem a huge challenge. But every one of you graduating today is equipped to do that. So again, llongraffthiadau. May I also thank Owen Sean, who read the poem that you heard earlier in Welsh and in English, which was written by Gwyneth Lewis, who was our poet laureate and who wrote the words on the Millennium Centre, the Wales Millennium Centre, and those letters are probably the largest letters of poetry anywhere in the world. But the other aspect, and why that was so meaningful today and linked so well to Meriel, is that Gwyneth also wrote a hospital odyssey based on her experiences, both as a patient, a relative, and then as a researcher, going through our own University Hospital of Wales. So it all linked together so beautifully. Obviously, now you have graduated. Dych chi'n rhan o gymned Prifysgol Caerdydd. You are now part of the Cardiff University community. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high priorities. Others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. Cardiff will have given you far more than just a degree. You have been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. You've shown willingness, determination, and spirit, the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. For some of you today, it might be tinged with sadness as you say goodbye to Cardiff. This vibrant, colourful, and diverse city has been the backdrop to your university through your own living here. But Cardiff University will always be your university. As our alumni community, we want you to come back here often to tell us how you're doing. On Friday night, nearly 1,000 alumni will be here for our first ever big reunion weekend, reconnecting and reflecting on how Cardiff has helped shaped their lives. We hope you too will join us for your reunions, and they'll become something that you look forward to as you reconnect with people who you've known during your student time here. But wherever life takes you, we hope that you'll become a flag bearer for our remarkable university and carry forward our values of kindness and generosity of spirit, and the courage to question, listen, and care. The Welsh word hiraeth doesn't translate terribly easily, but it's made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University at all times. Before we close the ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition that we need to uphold. While today is all about your achievement, it isn't something that you've done completely on your own. You have been supported by family, friends, and an extraordinarily committed academic and support staff with whom you have met and from whom you have learnt throughout your degree. So, I will ask the new graduates to stand if you can, and please stand, and then turn to those who have come to share today with you, to share in your celebration, and let's make as much noise to thank them. Llongyfarchiadau. Thank you. Do sit down. So now, to close our celebrations, here is a film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy, and at the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you for joining us today, and congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau eto, again to our class of 2026. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Pob lwc.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roeddwn ni'n gwybod y deiau eto high-lyfryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
this is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? what do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
Mae'r seremoni hon wedi gorffen. Defnyddiwch yr allanfa agosaf wrth adael yr arena wrth i ni baratoi ar gyfer y seremoni nesaf. This ceremony has now ended. Please leave the arena using your nearest exit as we prepare for the next ceremony.